What is the matter, dude? Anyway, the boy's up. I'm eating some lunch. Making some lunch. Little microwavable spicy chicken patty. Single dad life. That's for me. He already ate. He had pancakes. So anyway, Dylan is still asleep in his basement bedroom. I'm gonna show you what he got. And then we're gonna go fuck with him real quick. We're gonna wake him up. Be like, bitch. It's time to get out of bed. Bet. First, I'm gonna finish making my sandwich. Dang. Better. Got that plastic cheese on there. I guess this would technically be my breakfast, considering I haven't had that yet. Look at that. Yeah, grease and all. Alright, so look what Dylan got. It's for Subaru. He thinks it's gonna be fast. It'll be quicker. Dang! Tusudo header. Hold on. Look at it. Look at it. It's nice. It'll get rid of his primary cat. I'll just extend the O2 sensors until he gets a tune done, so that way it thinks it's there. It came with all its own hardware. It's nice. The gaskets are nice. Oh shit, son. The gaskets are nice, but the bolts are kind of cheap. So we're gonna use the factory ones. I have no idea. They sent this in the packaging with it. I have no idea what it is or what it's for. I'm assuming it's just to like show you, like, hey, look what your pipe's made out of. I don't know. What you doing? You chilling? Yeah? Tired? Are you having fun today? Can you count for me? No? What you watching? Oh, Tomb Raider. It's one of my favorites. Lara Croft. I'm gonna eat and then we're gonna go mess with Dylan. Sandwich! Ooh. Ah. Tusudo. See, I'll prove it. This is right there. Ooh. That's shiny. That's kind of... Tusudo does make a pretty nice product. I'm not gonna lie. I'll be right back, dude. I'm gonna go wake up your uncle, okay? Love you. Ow. God damn it. Bullshit. Ow, fuck. Dylan, what you doing? Here you go put your header on, bitch.
Why are you recording me?
Why not? I just want all these people to see you in your natural habitat.
What, sleeping?
Well, I thought maybe you'd probably be spanking it, but that didn't work out. Dude, it's hot. There's balls in here.
What's that hot?
Dude, it's like after 10 o'clock. I already ate lunch. Are you gonna like get up so we can go do this? I already ate lunch. I just had a spicy chicken sandwich.
Lunch at 10 o'clock, you bitch?
Yeah, I was hungry. I hadn't had breakfast, so I guess technically it was breakfast. Johnny had pancakes.
Oh. Hey!
Wake the fuck up.
Turn my fucking light on, bitch.
I don't wanna. Your bed looks comfy. I'm gonna come snuggle.
No, no you're not.
Well, whatever, then.
This is my bed.
Damn you. Let's go put your header on.
Yeah.
It's literally like 20 minutes worth of work. Look at your old ass. You look like an old man right now.
I am old.
I was up at 6:30 this morning with Johnny.
Whose fault's that?
His. You don't know how to sleep in. No, you're not going back to sleep. What?
No. You're just gonna blow the light, idiot.
I got more.
Alright, do it up.
Alright, I gotta check on my kid. Wake up! The Camaro's all tucked away. We're in Dylan's Subi right now if you can't hear it. Obviously, this is with just the stock manifold. But me, Johnny, and Dylan are running to Advanced Auto, or Auto Zone rather, because we need to get some spark plug non-foulers that I'm going to modify for Dylan's car to turn into O2 sensor extensions, since we're getting rid of the primary cat, so the engine light will remain out. And we got to get some black plasti dip, some glossifier, and are we going to do the pearl flakes in it, in the wheels?
Can.
And some pearlizer, because we're going to paint Dylan's plasti dip Dylan's factory wheels a metallic black, because they have his winter tires on them, and we need them greatly right now because the weather is atrocious. But it's better in Plattsburgh than it was in Peru. Like, it's better here. But, alright guys, we'll be right back with you. Look at, they got the peel coat, which is kind of like plasti dip. They have the peel coat with the
Graphite.
with the metallic in it. I don't see any regular plasti dip, but we'll look around. Hold on, come over here. We need these.
Throw them in the cart.
Let's see if we can find real plasti dip. Oh, Dylan. The infamous ricer aisle. Oh, right here. Right here, right here. Okay, so we need 2. No. No. I don't see any black pearlizer.
I'm gonna get a tire marker for your Camaro.
Don't you dare.
I'll make it look pretty.
No. Pearlizer.
I will color in between the lines.
Plasti dip metalizer. Right here. We need 2 of those.
You know?
Yeah.
I will color in between the lines. I'll make it look good. How about a light bar? I'll get you a light bar for your help.
Alright, look at that. You got enough money for all that?
I'm rich, bitch.
Perfect. Oh.
What's that?
I don't know, but it's ricey. You need it.
Oh, that's light.
You need
light
these.
kit.
Can you get 2 of these?
You get the light kit for your grill. No, I don't want that shit.
Ah.
I'm not trying to get pulled over. It's not even loud enough.
We gotta get the S for your mother's Titan. So we can change it to tits. Yeah!
Johnny agrees.
Ooh.
He said, yeah.
Ooh, what else we got in here? Ooh!
You getting that for the Subi?
Keep your fingers warm in the
You
winter.
should get that for the Subi.
Oh, yeah, because it would be black in a week. I do need one for the D-Max. Fitch trucks, grab that. That's ugly, I don't want it. I'm just gonna order one on eBay. They have a better selection.
eBay, you don't want a brownie like the rest of the rednecks?
I ain't a redneck.
You are.
Let's just cash out. Pan off. We're getting wet because we got stuck in a snowstorm, but this is what the rest of my year as a mechanic's gonna be like. We got the O2 sensors unplugged. We gotta take out these 3 bolts. These 3 bolts, we already got these off. And yeah, we're gonna get wet. Right, Dylan?
Right.
With your welding gloves on, just hold it up right here in the center. This thing's about 30 pounds, so be ready. I just gotta get my impact gun and pull them bolts out, and then it'll come right down in our hands. See how I did the impact gun?
No. It's 30 pounds?
Yeah, they're
Wow, they're heavy.
Seriously, where's that fucking impact gun? Oh, it's right here. You ready? Grab that thing, quick.
What thing?
The converter.
Oh. Oh, it's sizzling.
Let those lay down there.
Oh, fuck.
Right in my fucking ear.
Come on!
I can't go too fast. You strip the fucker down to the bone. This asshole just got stunned. pulled down. We got the header bolted up. Now, a rule of thumb, I'm a Subaru tech, listen to me. Always tighten these with an impact gun. And don't be afraid to pull ultra gray on your sealers or on your gaskets, especially the ones that are supplied with the header, because headers like to leak, so don't be afraid, okay? Now we're gonna bolt this part up, and then we gotta pull out this guy. Up here, it's the bung for 102 sensor, and this guy. We're probably gonna have to extend our O2 sensor wires, but it is what it is. All right, guys, so if you're cheap like us or just come unprepared, you need the spacers for your O2 sensor when you're doing away with that mess right there. So what we did, instead of buying the adapter, we went to Advanced Auto in the help aisle and got a couple spark plug non-foulers that fit an O2 sensor. We drilled out the first one so the sensor fit in it. Then we'll screw it into here like so. And then it creates a hole only that big. So your car will believe that the cat is still there. Tee. Okay, good.
Ha! Tee-hee! Put her up in there, bud.
Oh, it's tight.
Ooh, like it tight.
Get it right.
Well, we'll be right back.
Check it out. It's all on. Bolted up. Got the O2 sensors in with our custom spacers. Now we're gonna put the belly pan on, and we'll give you some sound clips. Guys, we got the header all on. This is gonna be the first cold start. Fire it up. Holy shit. Oh my God. Rev it up. Do it again. Oh, buddy. Yes. All right. Do you like it?
Yeah.
Good, kill it. It's fucking obnoxious. Look at this. Guys, the header's on. Dylan loves it. It only took us, what, 35 minutes?
Yeah.
With modifying and making our own O2 sensor adapters. I'm dirty, I'm soaked, but it was a mission successful. Deuces.